Welcome to Damned Shoes. Step into style, one pair at a time. White footwear has long been a symbol of versatility, elegance, and timeless style in women's fashion. Whether for casual outings, formal events, or everything in between, white shoes have the power to elevate any outfit. Known for their fresh, clean look, white footwear complements a wide range of outfits, making it a must-have in any wardrobe. The appeal of white footwear lies in its ability to easily match various clothing styles, from casual to dressy and across different seasons. It provides a neutral base that allows the rest of your outfit to shine, while also adding a crisp, stylish element to your look. White footwear can seamlessly transition from day to night, matching everything from laid-back weekend outfits to more formal or office attire. The simplicity of white offers endless pairing possibilities, making it suitable for a wide variety of occasions. There's something undeniably chic about the clean, bright look of white shoes. They add a refreshing touch to any outfit, especially during warmer seasons, and can even offer a contrast when paired with darker, older outfits. White footwear can effortlessly pair with everyday casual outfits. Whether it's with denim casual dresses or simple trousers, white shoes bring a sense of ease and style. They are ideal for relaxed days, allowing comfort without sacrificing style. White footwear isn't limited to casual wear. It can be styled for more formal settings as well, providing a light, modern twist on classic footwear choices. Whether it's paired with tailored suits or elegant dresses, white shoes bring a sophisticated touch to formal looks. White shoes are particularly popular during warmer months due to their light and airy feel. They work beautifully with summer outfits, such as dresses, skirts, and shorts. In cooler months, white footwear can still be worn with thicker fabrics or layered outfits, offering a bright contrast to autumn and winter tones. White shoes are incredibly versatile and can be paired with a wide range of colors and patterns, from pastel tones to bold hues. White works with nearly every color palette, making it a go-to option for creating diverse looks. White footwear has an inherently sophisticated yet relaxed quality. It adds a polished feel without being overly flashy, making it suitable for both casual and more elevated styles. White shoes have remained a staple in fashion across various eras. This timeless appeal ensures that they remain relevant, providing a classic touch to any modern wardrobe. While white shoes are undeniably stylish, they do require some care to maintain their pristine appearance. Here are a few tips to help you keep them looking fresh. Make it a habit to clean your white shoes often to prevent dirt and stains from setting in. Wipe them down with a soft, damp cloth and mild detergent. Consider applying a protective spray design to shield white footwear from stains and water damage. This can help keep them looking new for longer. When not in use, store your white shoes in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. This helps prevent yellowing and other damage. Give your white footwear a break by alternating with other pairs. This will minimize wear and keep them looking fresh for longer. White footwear remains a timeless and versatile addition to any woman's wardrobe. Its clean, fresh aesthetic makes it perfect for a wide variety of outfits and occasions. Whether you're going for a